Hi all, it's Matt from Star Factory, the go-to site for business app reviews. In this quick Semrush One review, I'm going to walk you through all the key pros and cons of Semrush's new AI-focused version of its platform, and help you work out if it's the right solution for enhancing the visibility of your content. I'll start with the main advantages of using Semrush One, and then I'll move on to the things it could do better. First up, a quick overview of what Semrush One actually is. Semrush has been one of the big hitters in the SEO world for years. It's long been relied upon for key SEO tasks like keyword research, competitor analysis, site auditing, and rank tracking. But with search shifting rapidly towards AI-generated answers in tools like ChatGPT Search and Google's AI Mode, Semrush has rethought what its platform should be. The result is Semrush One, which aims to help you gain visibility for your content across both traditional search and new AI-driven tools. So, in what follows, I'm going to look at both the pros and cons of using Semrush One. But before I get stuck in, a quick note about links. If you check the video description, you'll find a link to a special double-length free trial of Semrush One. I just wanted to let you know that this is an affiliate link, so if you buy through it, we may receive a commission. This does not affect our impartiality, but it does support our work. So if you do buy through the link, thank you. Okay, let's continue with a look at the advantages of using Semrush One. 1. It gives you access to SEO and AI visibility data in one place. The biggest benefit of Semrush One is the way it brings classic SEO and AI visibility together into one workflow. Semrush One lets you monitor these two worlds side by side, showing you where your brand performs strongly both in AI tools and traditional search results, and where you may be missing out entirely. 2. It gives you access to prompt research. A standout feature of Semrush One is its prompt research tool. As conversational search becomes more common, prompts are effectively becoming the new keywords. Semrush One lets you enter a topic and view a comprehensive list of real prompts people are using in ChatGPT Search and Google AI Mode. This functionality is extremely useful for developing new content ideas, and you won't currently find it in most traditional SEO tools. 3. It helps you understand how AI tools talk about your brand. Another helpful tool in Semrush One is its brand sentiment analysis feature. This doesn't just tell you whether AI systems mention your brand, it shows you how positively or negatively they do it, and in what contexts. This gives you a much clearer sense of what AI systems think you offer, and where there may be misconceptions that need correcting. 4. It retains Semrush's classic strengths. Crucially, Semrush One doesn't abandon what made Semrush popular in the first place. You still get access to Semrush's excellent keyword research tools, its extremely strong backlink analysis, its comprehensive site auditing features, and its daily rank tracking, which now tracks visibility in Google's AI overviews too. You also get generous reporting limits even on lower tier plans. 5. It gives you multi-channel support. Unlike many competing SEO tools, Semrush continues to offer support via phone, email, and live chat. For context, Moz only provides customer service by email, and Ahrefs doesn't offer phone support. Okay, so that's 5 key advantages of using Semrush One. If you've got any thoughts so far, just drop them in the comments. And if you'd like to try Semrush One out, a reminder that I've put a link to an extended free trial of it in the video description. Now let's look at the disadvantages of using Semrush One. 1. It's expensive. Semrush One is priced firmly at the premium end of the SEO tools market. Plans start at $199 per month, making it considerably more expensive than many competing tools, including several that provide their own AI visibility features. And despite the high cost of Semrush One, several important tools like traffic and market analytics, the advertising toolkit, and the social media toolkit require you to pay fairly pricey add-ons. 2. You only get one user account, regardless of plan. All Semrush plans come with just one user account. If additional team members need to access your projects, you'll have to pay for extra accounts, and these cost between $45 and $100 each, depending on the plan. 3. AI visibility coverage is incomplete. Although Semrush One offers detailed research and tracking tools for ChatGPT Search, Google AI Overview, and Google AI Mode, it does not yet cater for Claude, Perplexity, or Meta AI, all platforms that are growing quickly. So those are the key pros and cons of Semrush One that we think are worth bearing in mind. Next up, a quick verdict. But just before that, I'd just like to encourage you to like this video and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching it. Okay, verdict time. Overall, Semrush One is one of the most forward-thinking visibility platforms available. It combines traditional SEO tools with detailed insights into how AI systems talk about your brand, giving you a much fuller picture of your presence across both classic and emerging search environments. Its main downsides are its high price, the add-on costs, and the fact that AI coverage is not yet complete. But if you're serious about understanding and improving your brand's performance in both Google search results and AI-generated answers, Semrush One is a very good starting point. If you'd like to try it out, don't forget that there's a link to a double-length free trial of the platform in the video description. Before you go, we'd love you to like this video and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching it. And finally, if you have any questions about Semrush One, just drop them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.